right, math legends, get ready for the ultimate challenge. This math problem right here has baffled millions. So do you have what it takes to get it right? If so, drop your answer in the comment section down below before watching the full video to prove your skills. And if you got the right answer and consider yourself a math legend, hit that like button and subscribe for more challenges like this one. So first things first, I analyzed this problem. 4 divided by 2. You got 4 divided by 2 inside these parentheses. And then you have this 3 above to the right of the parentheses. And the first thing I think of when dividing and there's some multiplication going on here, you can multiply 2 times 4 maybe, and you have this exponent. Well, I think of PAMDAS. And I know what's inside these parentheses, according to PAMDAS, goes first. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. And I'll write the parentheses and then write the 3 above to the right of the parentheses and then bring down the 2, the division symbol, and the 4 down. And now we have 4 divided by 2, and you have 2 inside these parentheses and this 3 above to the right of the parentheses. And that 3 is the exponent that will tell us to multiply the base, which is 2, 3 times. So 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 2 equals 8. So I'll write 8, keep the brackets, or in other words, the parentheses, bring down the 2, division symbol, and the 4 down. And now we can go ahead and read from left to right. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. And all you have to do is multiply 2 times 8, which gives you 16. And that is the answer, 16. And there you go.